Alright, last thing, just want to go over how to find an angle again. So this question says use trig to show that the third angle is 40, 40 degrees. So if you use the triangle sum theorem, the fact that all angles in a triangle add up to 180, then it makes sense that this angle right here should be 40 degrees. Now we can verify it another way using trig. So remember that we just figured out in the previous video that this angle here was about 24.9 units long. Alright, so if we do on the calculator the cosine inverse, I'm sorry, not the cosine inverse, we're going to do the sine inverse because in this case this is the opposite leg and that's the hypotenuse, and sine is O over h. So if we do the sine of that angle, we'll call it angle A, is equal to 16 over 24.9, then that means that angle A should equal the sine inverse of 16 over 24.9. So now if I type that in on the calculator, we do trig sine inverse 16 over 24.9, and I'm going to hit Control Enter now because I learned from my mistakes. We get 39.98 degrees, which makes sense because it's close to 40. The reason why we didn't get 40 exactly is because this side was actually 24.89, so when we rounded here, we get an answer that's a little bit off, alright, but that's okay, we could just round that up to 40. And that's just another example on how to use trig to find a missing angle in a right triangle.